can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin QNT Quant. The last 1 week has seen it lose 9% of its value. The last 1 month has seen it lose 13.9% of its value. On the yearly time frame, Quant is still up 23.6%. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. The vibes are down. We had a little taste of altcoin season, but right now, we're no longer in an altcoin season. How would that affect the price of Quant in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll look at Quant's performance against the US dollar. Is there still hope for us to get to new all-time highs? Is this the end? Are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town? More importantly, should we be buying more Quant tokens right now? We'll look at Quant's performance against Ethereum. We'll also pay attention to Quant's market cap, which sits above $1 billion. Bitcoin dominance should be dumping. How will that affect the price of Quant over the next few days and the next few weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Quant's currently trades around $91, with a market cap of $1.1 billion, and the fully diluted market cap sitting at around $1.36 billion. The all-time high for Quant happened on the 11th of September 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $428. Right now, it's down 78% from its all-time highs. The altcoin market is down over the last 1 week, but guys, remember, this is one of the most volatile markets in the world. For you to get those huge gains that will send you pumping to the moon, you have to be able to stomach huge drawdowns that will send you down to Goblin Town. And from historical perspective, the last dump we are seeing in the altcoin market is nothing to write home about. From where Quant had a lookout up in July of 2025, we have seen just lose 33% of its value in the last 63 days, which historically has been nothing to write home about. If you look at what Quant has done throughout its price history, we've had huge dumps to Goblin Town before continue pumping to the moon. In 2019, we saw Quant losing around 91% of its value. When that dump was over, we started pumping to the moon. That pump was crazy. That pump took Quant to new all-time highs. That pump saw Quant rallying by more than 29,000%. So crazy things happen after dump to Goblin Town. But when we're dumping, it looks like it's all over. When we're dumping and fear returns back to the cryptocurrency market, market participants always run from the hill, run down the hill. Now, if you look at what has happened in 2021 after we got to new all-time highs, what happened after then? We saw a huge dump. This time around, a 90% dump to the moon, 90% dump to Goblin Town. And even though we have not gone to the moon since then, we have seen Quant rally up aggressively to as high as $223, around the 400% pump to the upside. And we've seen Quant undergoing huge accumulation. It's been over 2 years. The last time we saw Quant trading above $200 was way back in October of 2022. Since then, we have seen Quant just trading inside that range. We're trading inside the range of $223 to as low as around $40. But I believe, guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks, we are going to see Quant break out of that range. And breaking out of that range will not see us going back down to Goblin Town. I believe it will see us pumping to the moon. So why do I believe we're going to pumping to the moon, guys? Historically, the final phase of the market cycle is where most of the magic happens. The final phase of the market cycle, after Bitcoin gets to new all-time highs, after Ethereum gets to new all-time highs, is small caps pumping. We've seen Bitcoin get to new all-time highs, Ethereum has gotten to new all-time highs, BNB has gotten to new all-time highs, XRP has gotten to new all-time highs, and a lot of altcoins have been doing well. Solana also got to new all-time highs in this cycle. I will not be shocked if the party start going to smaller altcoins. Historically, when market participants are fearful, is when you want to be buying. When market participants are scared, that's when there's good value for money. And right now, when the altcoin market is very volatile. Huge gains can be made. The last 1 week I've seen an altcoin go up 1,700%, but those huge gains always lead to huge drawdowns, guys. You're playing a game against other market participants. Those market participants, the game you want to play, the game you're playing against them is to buy as low as possible, to buy when there's fear in the market, and you want to sell as high as possible when there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now there's fear. Right now market participants are down, with the vibes being down. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, we're expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. Historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping has led to good times in the altcoin market. I don't think this time is different. If Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, new capital entering the cryptocurrency market just flips over from Bitcoin heading straight to the altcoin market, trying to get those big gains to the upside. Now, be very optimistic as we start pumping to the moon, but guys, you have to pay attention to key levels to watch out for. That $229 level might prove difficult as we're rallying to all-time highs. If Quant is going to get rejected there, we'll see Quant pumping by around 150% before we get rejected there. For us to get to new all-time highs, Quant still needs to pull off a 371% pump to the upside for us to get to new all-time highs. Now, all-time highs is possible, but you have to pay your dues. Before we went on that crazy pump in the previous bull market, we saw Quant losing 90% of its value. And from the all-time highs, from where we topped in 2021, Quant is still down around 78%. So not bad. If you look at some key details about Quant, Quant launched in 2018 with the goal of connecting blockchains and network on a global scale without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. It's the first project to solve the interoperability problem through the creation of the first blockchain operating system. And if you want to buy some Quants for yourself, you can buy some Quants on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. You look at Quant's performance against Ethereum, it's been dumping to Goblin Town, which is normal to see. A lot of these altcoins lose value aggressively against both Bitcoin and Ethereum when the market is bearish. We saw Quant getting to new all-time highs deep in the bear market in October of 2022, setting new all-time highs against Ethereum. Since then, it's been dumping aggressively to Goblin Town against Ethereum, losing more than 87% of its value in the process. But the final phase of the market cycle sees huge exit liquidity pump. The final phase of the market cycle see a lot of market participants flipping their Ethereum, their Bitcoin, and their US dollar into the altcoin market, trying to chase gains, and we'll see a huge pump to the moon. We've seen that happen in the past. In 2021, we saw Quant looking just depressed and all, and that was by the 3rd of May 2021. By the time we ended that bull market, in around August of 2021 for Quant was already up 1,200% against Ethereum. Maybe we'll pump up 1,200%, maybe we don't pump up 1,200%, but one thing is sure, the market doesn't end when we're dumping to Goblin Town. The market ends when market participants are singing Kumbaya. The bull market ends when we're pumping to the moon. When everybody thinks this time is different, there's no way we're dumping to Goblin Town, and boom, you get the rug pulled under your feet. But right now, I believe it's time to accumulate more. Right now, I believe there's still some upside, and over the next few days and next few weeks, I'll be expecting a 200 to 500% pump to the moon for Quant against Ethereum. Look at Quant's market cap. In the previous video, we talked about key levels to watch out for. Yes, Quant's market cap trades above the $1 billion level, but there's a lot of resistance at the $1.6 billion region, the $2 billion level, the $2.7 billion level. And if we go to all-time highs, guys, from where we're currently trading, that will require Quant pumping by more than 372%. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. A 372% pump will see us setting new all-time highs. Are you buying more Quant tokens right now? Do you believe a new all-time high is possible and altcoin season is coming? We had a little taste of altcoin season in the last 2 weeks. We saw a lot of market participants feeling underwhelmed, asking, is this altcoin season? Is this all the altcoin season I've been waiting for? Guys, remember, the market will test your patience. Your number one job is just to buy low and sell high. Buy when we're not in altcoin season, and when we get altcoin season, you can sell some sweet profit. Expect Bitcoin dominance to dump. Expect to see the altcoin market having huge gains by the end of this year. Are you buying more Quants right now? When will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.